Get ready for an exceptional exploration into the world of seeds. Today, we're about to embark on a journey into a rich collection of tiny treasures often hidden away in numerous kitchen cabinets. Imagine a group of seeds, each possessing its unique character, gathered together, sharing anecdotes about the times they were overshadowed by yet another trendy avocado toast craze. Yes, my friends, we are here to discuss the remarkable quartet of seeds known as chia, hemp, flax, and pumpkin seeds. Now, brace yourselves because when it comes to these four seeds, they are true stars in the world of seeds, eagerly waiting to bestow their powerhouse of nutrients upon the world and, more importantly, on your nerves. So, take a seat, relax, and prepare to hear the tale of how these four seed superheroes can not only nourish but also heal your nerves. This is a story you definitely won't want to miss. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to channel for all things wellness and lifestyle. Whether you're a long-time subscriber or stumbling upon healthy habits for the first time, I invite you to join me on this journey. Watch the entire video, and let's embark on a path towards a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. These seeds are here to demonstrate that they are the true pioneers of the superfood scene, patiently waiting to make their mark on our lives one seed at a time. So, let's begin our exploration with chia seeds. Chia seeds. Chia seeds have a fascinating history, originating from ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and the Mayans, where they were considered a dietary staple that fueled legendary warriors and sustained thriving cultures. These seeds were held in such high regard that they were used as offerings in religious ceremonies and even had value as a form of currency. Despite their small size, chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with protein, fiber, antioxidants, minerals, and coveted omega-3 fatty acids. Now, let's delve into their nutritional benefits, starting with their remarkable fiber content. Just 1 or 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain an impressive 11 grams of soluble fiber. This type of fiber serves as nourishment for your beneficial gut bacteria, promoting gut health and reducing inflammation in the body. Chia seeds also stand out for their protein content, surpassing most plants. Unlike many plant proteins, which lack some essential amino acids, chia seeds provide all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. The significance of complete proteins lies in the fact that essential amino acids cannot be produced by the body and are crucial for the proper functioning of our cells. Even a small quantity, as little as 2.5 tablespoons, contains 5 grams of protein, making chia seeds an excellent protein source. To top it off, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, safeguarding not only the cells in your body but also preserving the delicate omega-3 fats found within the seeds, giving them an extended shelf life. Among the antioxidants present, quercetin plays a significant role in promoting nerve cell communication, supporting nerve regeneration, and strengthening the immune system. In fact, quercetin has proven effective in treating and preventing conditions like COVID-19 and herpes zoster, commonly known as shingles. Chia seeds and calcium. Surprisingly, chia seeds contain more calcium than milk. So, all those years when Mom told you to drink milk for strong bones, she could have been saying, eat your chia seeds. 2 ounces of chia seeds provide 360 milligrams of calcium, while 8 ounces of milk offer only 300 milligrams. Chia seeds are also renowned as the best-known plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, even surpassing flax seeds. Omega-3s are pivotal for brain health, preserving nerve cell membranes, and facilitating communication between neurons, potentially preventing neurodegenerative disorders. Beyond this, chia seeds offer a wealth of essential minerals such as manganese, phosphorus, copper, selenium, and iron, as well as magnesium, which is critical for nerve function. However, it's important to note that the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are not as potent as those found in fish or fish oil, particularly EPA and DHA forms. Chia seeds are additionally rich in minerals. They are abundant in manganese, which is essential for metabolism and growth, phosphorus that contributes to bone health, and copper, a mineral often lacking in modern diets, vital for heart health, mitochondrial function, and nerve health. Selenium, another crucial mineral, acts as an antioxidant, protecting nerve health and aiding in DNA protection. Chia seeds also contain iron, involved in oxygen transport throughout the body, including the nerves. They are a significant source of magnesium, which plays vital roles in various bodily processes. Low magnesium levels can affect nerve function, blood sugar, and blood pressure. Moreover, chia seeds offer abundant antioxidants, safeguarding both your cells and the delicate omega-3 fats in the seeds from damage, extending their shelf life. Among these antioxidants, chorotin stands out for its role in nerve health. Research has demonstrated that chorotin improves nerve cell communication, promotes nerve regeneration, and supports the immune system. Hemp seeds. Hemp, distinct from its close relative marijuana, has a rich history of versatility. Early Chinese records dating back to approximately 2800 BCE highlight hemp as a valuable source of sustenance. The ancient Egyptians highly revered hemp and utilized it extensively, from crafting ropes to manufacturing sails for their ships and even making clothing. Across various cultures around the world, from ancient civilizations to modern times, hemp has been acknowledged as a nutritional powerhouse. Hemp seeds, in particular, have garnered attention for their remarkable nutritional benefits. They possess a mild nutty flavor and offer a substantial nutritional punch. Hemp nutrition. In the realm of plant-based protein, hemp seeds outshine their counterparts, such as chia seeds, boasting a superior protein content. Similar to chia seeds, hemp seeds encompass all 9 essential amino acids, rendering them a complete protein source. Research indicates that our bodies readily absorb the protein content of hemp, and when comparing the two, hemp seeds offer nearly double the protein found in chia seeds. To put it in perspective, 1 ounce of hemp seeds provides a substantial 9.5 grams of complete protein, whereas 1 ounce of chia seeds offers 5 grams. However, there is a notable contrast in fiber content between hemp and chia seeds. Hemp seeds contain significantly less fiber, with just 1 gram per ounce, compared to the 11 grams of fiber in an ounce of chia seeds. Nevertheless, hemp compensates for this by delivering a robust array of essential minerals, including copper, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, iron, and zinc. Let's delve into the significance of zinc for your nervous system and overall health. Zinc plays a crucial role in brain health by promoting antioxidant effects and supporting the growth of new nerves, both in the peripheral and central nervous systems. Additionally, zinc contributes significantly to the immune system's function and aids in the healing process. Another distinguishing factor between hemp and chia seeds is their vitamin content. Hemp seeds stand out in this regard, as they contain several major B vitamins, including B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6. In contrast, chia seeds do not contain any vitamins. In essence, when it comes to the competition between chia and hemp seeds, it's fair to say that it's a tie. Both seeds offer a wide range of nutritional strengths, making them valuable additions to your diet. Flax seeds. Now, let's examine how flax seeds compare to these two nutritional powerhouses. These tiny seeds have a rich history dating back to ancient Mesopotamia, where the Babylonians, renowned architects and astronomers, recognized their remarkable versatility. Flax wasn't just valued for its fiber, which was used to craft linen and textiles, but also as a significant source of nourishment. This reverence for flax extended across various cultures, from the ancient Egyptians and Europeans to the Vikings. Astonishingly, flax has experienced a resurgence in modern times. Flax seeds typically come in brown or yellow varieties, with brown seeds being notably more nutritious than their yellow counterparts. Brown flax seeds have been associated with health benefits such as enhanced digestion and reduced risks of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. It's advisable to purchase whole flax seeds and grind small quantities as needed. Ground flax seeds can quickly oxidize, losing many of their health advantages, and the freshness of pre-ground flax seeds is uncertain. Now, let's delve into the nutritional profile of flax seeds. These seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and dietary fiber. Additionally, they offer essential vitamins and minerals, including lignans, which are potent anti-cancer compounds that help regulate various bodily processes. Although flax seeds don't provide a substantial amount of protein, with just 1.9 grams per tablespoon, they excel in fiber content. 1 ounce, or 2 tablespoons, of flax seeds provides a commendable 6 grams of fiber, composed of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Research indicates that soluble fiber aids in regulating blood sugar and cholesterol levels, while the combination of soluble and insoluble fiber promotes digestive health and regular bowel movements. While flax seeds contain several essential amino acids, they aren't considered complete proteins due to the absence of lysine. Therefore, if you're seeking a protein source, hemp seeds are a preferable choice. Flax seeds do, however, boast a high omega-3 fatty acid content, second only to chia seeds among plant-based sources. It's worth noting that while plant-based omega-3s are beneficial, they require conversion to EPA and DHA, which is inefficient in the human body. For optimal omega-3 intake, non-vegetarians can turn to fish or fish oil, which contain EPA and DHA directly. Flaxseed oil is often a topic of inquiry. While it offers similar health benefits, it should never be used for cooking, as even low heat can denature or degrade its nutritional value. Flax seeds also contribute essential vitamins and minerals to your diet, including thiamine, B1, crucial for metabolism and nerve health, and manganese, a trace mineral vital for brain and peripheral nerve cells. These seeds are also rich in magnesium, copper, and phosphorus, which play various roles in overall health. One remarkable component of flax seeds is lignans, potent antioxidants and phytoestrogens that support nerve regeneration, cancer and heart disease prevention, and bone strength. In fact, flax seeds contain up to 800 times more lignans than any other food source. In summary, flax seeds hold their own against chia and hemp seeds, offering a diverse array of health benefits and essential nutrients. Pumpkin seeds. Now, let's delve into the benefits of pumpkin seeds, and there are plenty. Pumpkin seeds, also known as papitas, are typically removed from pumpkins. Raw or dry-roasted pumpkin seeds pack a more powerful nutritional punch compared to roasted or cooked ones. Here's a look at their nutritional profile. 2 ounces of pumpkin seeds contain 5 grams of protein, which is quite respectable. While pumpkin seeds do contain all 9 essential amino acids, they aren't considered a complete protein because 2 essential amino acids, methionine and tryptophan, are present in extremely low amounts. Similar to the other 3 seeds we've explored today, pumpkin seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, albeit in the form of alpha-linolenic acid. These seeds are a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, including manganese, copper, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, iron, zinc, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, folate, carotenoids, vitamin C, K, and E. Moreover, pumpkin seeds are abundant in antioxidants, such as phenolic acids and flavonoids. Flavonoids, in particular, have demonstrated anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antiviral, and neuroprotective properties, making them significant for nerve protection. Here are some intriguing facts. A 2002 observational study found that consuming pumpkin seeds was associated with a reduced risk of breast cancer in postmenopausal women. An older study indicated that lignans found in pumpkin seeds may have a role in preventing and treating breast cancer. Additionally, several studies have shown that pumpkin seeds can alleviate symptoms related to benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, an enlarged prostate condition that affects urination. As we conclude our journey through the world of seeds, from chia to hemp, flax to pumpkin, we are reminded of their nutritional symphony and healing potential. So, the next time you encounter a bowl of chia pudding, a sprinkle of hemp seeds on your salad, a dash of ground flax in your smoothie, or the delightful crunch of pumpkin seeds, remember that you're embracing a legacy of nourishment that spans civilizations, cultures, and centuries. Before we conclude today's video, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us on this journey towards better health and wellness. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as a part of our Healthy Habits community. If you found this video valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with friends and family who might benefit from it. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. If you value the knowledge and insights we provide and would like to support our channel in a meaningful way, please consider making a donation. Your contribution, no matter how big or small, helps us continue our work, improve our content, and reach even more people. It's your support that keeps the wheels turning and motivates us to keep creating content that matters.